In order to help decrease some of the stress that comes from getting a divorce, I'm providing some of the steps from my ebook that we'll talk about in this video. Hi, I'm Bryan Fagan with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, and I'm here to let you know what the first 3 steps are to help you prepare for your divorce. Let's get started. Step 1, immediately start gathering information. After a spouse discovers you are planning to divorce them, it becomes more difficult to find various financial documents. It is a good idea to obtain the following documents before your spouse is aware of the divorce. Some of these documents are real estate and closing documents, credit card statements, bank statements, income tax returns for the last 2 years, paycheck stubs, retirement and pension account statements, all insurance benefit statements, and many other required documentation. If there is a certain document you cannot locate and you believe your spouse has it in his or her possession, please make sure your lawyer is aware of this and they should be able to get it through the discovery process. Step 2, update and change all passwords and update your information. You need to change every one of your passwords to something your spouse will not be able to guess. If you are one of those people who uses 2 to 3 passwords for everything, then think of something new. Preferably one that includes random letters and numbers. This also includes changing PIN numbers on your debit cards and every password on all your bank account websites. Step 3, untangle joint accounts if possible. Many married couples share joint accounts, which means both parties have equal access to the accounts. Nevertheless, people regularly come into my office and they're surprised to find that their spouse has raided the account. It is so important for you to untangle your joint accounts so you don't find yourself in this situation. If you'd like to know the rest of the 16 steps to prepare for your divorce, be sure to check out our ebook section on our website or click on the link in the description to download our 16 steps to help you plan and prepare for your Texas divorce ebook for free. Be sure to subscribe on our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to never miss a new video. Talk to you soon.